Here's Simon, maximum cuteness, because he might smile for you. He's all full. He had lunch. And now he's hanging out in his bassinet making happy noises. He also might spit up on us, but we'll just see. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, you gonna smile? You gonna smile? Yeah, come on, sweetie. Goo goo. Come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Happy noises. Come on. Smile for mommy. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Uh-oh, not happy anymore? Okay, say goodbye. And this should make it better. All better. Say bye. Bye.